Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for a magical tip. Extending your rituals. When you're doing your rituals, the object of the game is to implant your intention into your subconscious mind. Don't shortchange yourself though. Make sure your ritual is long enough so your subconscious can accept it. Why you think in some of these books and ancient rituals, the rituals be so long that it makes your head spin? We live in a microwave age. Everything has to be quick, fast, and in a hurry. Well, your subconscious mind doesn't respond like that. It takes time for us to break the old belief systems we have inundated within us. A lot of us still have negative beliefs and dispositions from our childhood planted by our parents and the world alike. It takes time to remove or replace that programming from your subconscious mind. Remember, these rituals, mantras, and magical works is to impact your subconscious mind. If you're trying to make a dent in your subconscious mind, make sure your ritual is long enough that without a shadow of a doubt, it impacted your subconscious. Even if you have to do some rituals for a few days, make sure you're implanting that programming. A ritual Bobby said to do when deprogramming is sitting or laying down, telling your subconscious mind to remove any blockages that plagues your work. See a waterfall in your visualization and see all the blockages and negative thought forms washing away. It doesn't matter if you don't know them. Your subconscious mind will know and will get to work. Do that deprogramming meditation for at least 10 to 15 minutes a day for at least 2 weeks. Extending your ritual will impact your subconscious mind. When impacting your subconscious mind, remember to trust what you're doing. Remove all these negative thought forms. At the end of your ritual, forget about it and let your subconscious take over. The better you forget about it, the faster the results. Get distracted. Work on something else. Just remove it from your mind and know that it's already here. Dream wise.